Liza from McGrath Estate Agents Malulabar. Coming onto the market for the first time in 20 years, I would like to welcome you to 35 Saratoga Drive in Mountain Creek. Sitting on a large 802 square meter corner block, this quality home has so much to offer. Let's go check it out. When entering the property, the first thing you will notice is the spacious layout and the vaulted ceilings that give the home an amazing open feel. We have 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a double lock-up garage with internal access. The open-plan kitchen, living and dining area leads towards the exciting outdoor entertaining space. Imagine doing your barbecue out here. There's even space for a pool, and so very private. We are in the Mountain Creek catchment and only minutes away from shops, beaches and Sunshine Coast University. This is a really special opportunity, so contact me today for more details, and I look forward to welcoming you at one of our upcoming open homes.